This is the coached example for review lesson 8. In this review lesson, we'll be rounding numbers to certain place values. In this particular example, we're going to be rounding 18 and 706 thousandths to the nearest whole number and to the nearest hundredth. And then we're going to find out how do the rounded numbers compare. First, when we round to the nearest whole number, it is the same as rounding to the ones place. Whole number is the ones place. To round 18 and 706 thousandths to the nearest whole number, you have to find the digit in the ones place, which is this 8. 8 is in the ones place. Find the place that you're looking for, trying to round to. Then you're going to underline the digit in the place value to the right. So to the right of the ones place, we're looking at that place, which is the tenths place. We're going to compare that digit in the tenths place, the 7, to 5. And we know that 7 is greater than 5. So what we will do is we will take the 8 that's in the ones place, and we will bump it up to 9. We basically say that if it's 5 or above, we're going to give it a shove. If it's 4 or below, we're going to let it go. Therefore, if we round this to the nearest whole number, we bump that 8 to a 9. Everything in front of the ones place stays the same. Everything behind the ones place gets dropped. Our answer is 19. Now, to round that same number to the nearest hundredth, we first have to find the digit that's in the hundredths place. The digits in the hundredths place is this 0 right here. We're going to underline the digit in the place to its right. That's going to be in the thousandths place this time. Underline that. And we're going to compare that digit to 5. Well, the 6 is greater than 5. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the 0 in the hundredths place and we're going to bump it up. 5 or above, give it a shove. 4 or below, let it go. So when we round that 18 and 706 to the nearest hundredth, we bump the 0 up to a 1. Everything to the left of that hundredths place stays the same, and everything to the right gets dropped. So now if we, again, put our answers here for those particular place values, surround them, we can compare those. It says 18 and 706 thousandths rounded to the nearest blank is closer to 18 and 706 thousandths than the number rounded to the nearest blank. The smaller the place value that you round to will result in a number that's as close to the original number as you start with. In this particular number, we rounded to the hundredths place, which is smaller than the ones place in this number. So that means that means when we round it to the nearest hundredth, the number that we get is going to be closer to our original number than the number that we get when we round it to the ones place.